What if I told you that a common vegetable at the grocery store could help you lower your blood pressure, and fast? It might sound too good to be true, but science says otherwise. Celery isn't a magic cure, but it can be a powerful helper for heart health, especially for older adults. The trick is using it the right way. Too much or too little can make a big difference. Think of celery like a strong medicine. The right dose matters a lot. Natural remedies need to be respected just like prescription drugs. The line between helpful and harmful is often just a matter of how much you use. So, let's dig into what science and real-world experience tell us about celery. We'll look at how it works in your body, its benefits, and the risks of taking too much. My goal is to give you the knowledge to make smart, safe choices. This isn't about replacing your doctor or your medicine. This is about adding a safe, natural strategy to your health plan. The choices you make in your kitchen can have a huge impact. High blood pressure isn't just about pills and worry, there are daily actions that help. Today, we're going to focus on one thing: celery. Let's separate the science from the hype and learn how this humble vegetable can support a healthier, longer life. Before we talk about solutions, let's understand the problem: high blood pressure, the silent killer. It often has no symptoms, but inside, your arteries are under dangerous pressure. Imagine a garden hose spraying water. Over time, it weakens and leaks. That's what happens to your arteries. This constant force damages artery walls, making them stiff and narrow, a condition called atherosclerosis. Narrowed arteries force your heart to work harder, increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke. High blood pressure also damages your kidneys, which filter waste from your blood. Over time, this can lead to kidney disease or even kidney failure. Even your vision is at risk. The tiny blood vessels in your eyes can be damaged, leading to vision loss. Managing blood pressure isn't optional, it's essential. Medications are lifesavers, but they're only part of the solution. What you eat, how you move, and how you manage stress all matter. Food can be powerful medicine. By choosing foods that help regulate blood pressure, you play an active role in protecting yourself. Celery is one of those foods. Let's see how it works. How does celery help lower blood pressure? It's all about the science of how living things work. First, celery has a special ingredient called 3N-butylphthalide, or 3NB. This helps relax the muscles in your artery walls, making it easier for blood to flow. Second, celery acts like a natural water pill. It helps your body get rid of extra salt and water, just like some blood pressure medicines do. Its good balance of potassium and sodium helps this gentle process along. Third, celery helps fight swelling in your body. When there's a lot of swelling for a long time, it can make your arteries stiff and raise your blood pressure. The good stuff in celery, like apigenin and luteolin, helps calm this swelling and protect your blood vessels. Fourth, celery is a good source of potassium, which helps your body get rid of extra sodium and relax your blood vessels. Most diets have too much salt and not enough potassium. Celery helps bring that balance back. These four ways, 3NB, its water pill effect, fighting swelling, and potassium, all work together to make celery a great friend to your heart. It's not magic, it's just smart science. 15. Let me tell you about Mr. Henderson, a tough patient in his 70s. Inspired by an article, he started drinking a huge glass of celery juice, about a liter, every morning, hoping for big results. At first, he felt great, but after a week, he started feeling dizzy and lightheaded, especially when he stood up. One morning, he almost fainted. His wife checked his blood pressure. It was dangerously low. The mix of his medicine and the huge amount of celery had dropped his blood pressure too low, a condition called hypotension. He was dehydrated, and his body's salts were out of whack. The strong diuretic effect of too much celery, combined with his medication, was just too much for his body. We had to stop the celery juice and adjust his treatment. Mr. Henderson's story is a lesson. More isn't always better, even with natural remedies. Natural doesn't mean safe in any amount. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new health routine, no matter how simple it seems. Mr. Henderson's story really shows us something important. Celery isn't for everyone, especially without a doctor's okay. First, if you're taking blood pressure medicine, celery can make those medicines work even stronger, and your blood pressure could drop too low. Second, folks with kidney problems need to be careful. Celery can make you pee more, and it has potassium. which can be hard on kidneys that aren't working great. Third, if you're on blood thinners like warfarin, the vitamin K in celery can mess with your medicine. And finally, if you already have low blood pressure, using celery as a treatment could make you feel dizzy or even pass out. This doesn't mean you can never eat celery. It just means don't use it every day like a blood pressure medicine without your doctor saying it's okay. Safety first. Always. Now, let's talk about using celery safely and effectively. The SAFE protocol. Rule number 1. Amount. 4 medium celery stalks a day is the sweet spot. Enough to get the good stuff, not too much to cause problems. Eat the whole stalk, don't juice it. The fiber slows down how fast your body takes it in and helps with digestion, while juicing can give you too much, too fast. Rule number 2. Consistency. Eat celery every day, ideally in the morning or early afternoon. Its effects last about 24 hours. Avoid eating it late in the evening to prevent messing with your sleep due to its mild diuretic effect. Rule number 3. Combine. Pair your celery with a small beetroot every day. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which help relax blood vessels. Celery and beetroot work together for better results. And remember, this only works as part of a low-sodium diet. Celery can't undo a salty meal. Follow these 3 rules for safe, effective results. 18. Now, for a success story. Mrs. Gable, who is 68, had been struggling with high blood pressure even though she was taking 2 different medications. She felt frustrated and helpless, worried about having to take even more medicine. I suggested she try the SAFE protocol, 4 celery stalks and a small beet each day, along with a diet low in salt. She checked her blood pressure at home and kept a log of the readings. After 2 weeks, her numbers dropped a lot, and she felt more energetic and in control. Within 2 months, her readings were consistently in a healthy range. We were even able to reduce one of her medications. Mrs. Gable's story shows how a simple, science-backed food plan, used correctly and with a doctor's guidance, can make a real life-changing difference. Mrs. Gable's success and Mr. Henderson's scare show 2 sides of the same coin. Celery can be a helper or a hazard. The difference is in your approach. It's not about the vegetable itself, but how you use it. More isn't always better. Your body thrives on balance, not too much of one thing. Overdoing celery, like drinking huge glasses of juice, can mess with your body and cause harm. The goal is gentle, steady support, not a shock treatment. The SAFE protocol, 4 stalks daily as part of a healthy diet, works with your body, not against it. Eating the whole stalk with its fiber makes sure it's absorbed slowly and safely. Combine celery with other healthy habits for the best results. Knowing the right amount, the right way to eat it, and who should be careful makes all the difference. The line between helping and harming is drawn with knowledge. Use celery as a precise tool for your health, safely and effectively. We've talked a lot. High blood pressure is a silent threat, but you're not helpless. Medicine is important, but your daily choices matter just as much. Celery, when used wisely, can be a remarkable ally for your heart. Remember, it works by relaxing blood vessels, reducing fluid, fighting inflammation and balancing sodium. But respect its power. Too much can be dangerous, especially if you're on certain medicines or have kidney problems. Always talk to your doctor before you start. If you're a good candidate, embrace the SAFE protocol. 4 celery stalks, 1 small beet every day as part of a low-sodium diet. Be persistent. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Track your blood pressure at home and share your log with your doctor. This makes you an active partner in your own care. Your health is your most precious asset. Protect it with knowledge and consistency. Start today. Talk to your doctor, shop with purpose, and take the first step towards a healthier heart. You have the power to make a difference, 1 crunchy stalk at a time.